Before buying a smart boxing trainer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. You want something that actually improves your skills, not just flashy lights and sounds.
Product number 1, TGLLM Music Boxing Machine. The TGLLM Music Boxing Machine, priced at $69.99. What caught my attention here is its unique combination of music and boxing. If you want an engaging workout that keeps you on your toes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its 9 modes and speeds, it caters to all skill levels, making it great for beginners and seasoned boxers alike. The LED display tracks your strikes, and it even supports Bluetooth music, so you can pump your favorite tunes while training. Plus, the high elastic foam protects your hands, and the adjustable height makes it suitable for both adults and kids. Now, some people complained about the installation process, saying it was a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it up, it really saves space and is easy to use. So if you're not tech savvy, just take your time with it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun way to stay fit and relieve stress at home. Skip this one if you prefer traditional boxing bags or need something portable. For the price, it offers solid value as an innovative workout tool. Now, if the installation challenge in the TGLLM bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, LOLBox 2026 Music Boxing Machine. The LOLBox 2026 Music Boxing Machine, coming in at $59.99. What really caught my eye is its smart touchscreen feature. If you want something that's both fun and functional, you should definitely consider this one. What's great about this machine is its various speed modes and lighting effects, allowing you to customize your workout intensity. Plus, with a remote control, you can easily adjust settings without interrupting your flow. It's lightweight, making it easy to move around, and it's designed to meet all your exercise needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It engages you more, making workouts less of a chore and more of a dynamic experience. However, some users found the remote a bit finicky, which can be annoying during a workout. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, that issue fades away. It's still an excellent choice for a versatile training experience. This is perfect for you if you want an interactive workout that feels fresh and exciting. Skip this one if you prefer something with a more traditional setup. At this price, it's a solid investment in making your workouts enjoyable. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more robust features.
Product number 3, TGLLM Upgraded Music Boxing Machine. The next product is another TGLLM offering, but an upgraded version, priced at $69.99. This one grabbed my attention with its enhanced features. If you're all about tracking your progress while jamming to music, this is worth checking out. What sets this machine apart is its upgraded smart chip that adjusts sensitivity based on your punches. It supports Bluetooth and provides an immersive audio experience with its built-in surround speakers. The LED display tracks your punches in real time, which can motivate you to keep pushing your limits. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It not only helps improve your boxing skills, but also makes working out feel like a game. However, I did notice some complaints about the Bluetooth connectivity dropping occasionally. Here's the thing though, that's a common issue with many devices, and it doesn't overshadow the fantastic workout you'll get from it. This is perfect for you if you love music and want a smart way to stay fit at home. Skip this one if you need something super reliable for outdoor use. Overall, it's a great value for a high-tech training tool. Now, if Bluetooth issues sound frustrating, the next product may offer a more straightforward solution.
Product number 4, JuiFip Music Boxing Machine. Fourth on my list is the JuiFip Music Boxing Machine, priced at $79.99. This one caught my eye because of its comprehensive set of features. If you're looking for a complete boxing package, this is definitely worth considering. What I really like about this machine is that it comes with boxing gloves, a wristband, and even a skipping rope. The upgraded sound quality and volume adjustments are a nice touch too. This means you can customize your experience while hitting those punches. The LED display keeps track of your progress, which is motivating. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It saves you the hassle of buying additional gear, making it a great all-in-one option for your home gym. That said, some users mentioned that the sound quality isn't as good as expected, but honestly, for the price and all the extras included, it's still a fantastic deal. This is perfect for you if you want an all-inclusive package for boxing training. Skip this one if you're only interested in a basic punching machine. For what you get, it's a solid investment in your fitness journey. Alright, that was a great option, but the last product on my list is a bit more affordable yet still effective.
Product number 5. LLO Box 2026 Music Boxing Machine. Different model. We have another model from LLO Box, also at $69.99. This version stood out to me because of its intelligent design. If you want something that adapts to your needs, this might be the one for you. This boxing machine features intelligent sound optimization and allows for Bluetooth connectivity. The smart counting function tracks every punch, keeping you motivated. It's designed to accommodate everyone, from kids to seniors, making it a versatile addition to your home. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's inclusive, allowing family members of all ages to join in on the fun and fitness. One downside mentioned by some users is that the battery life could be longer, but honestly, with a quick recharge, it's easy to get back to your workouts. This is perfect for you if you want a family-friendly boxing trainer that's easy to use. Skip this one if you require high durability for outdoor use. At this price point, it offers excellent value for a smart boxing trainer that everyone can enjoy.
To wrap things up, we explored 5 fantastic smart boxing trainers: the TGLLM Music Boxing Machine, LOL Box 2026 Music Boxing Machine, the upgraded TGLLM model, Duo FEEP, and another LOL Box version. Each has its strengths, whether you prioritize music, features, or family friendliness. Your ideal match depends on your specific needs and workout style.